In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error code 0xc8000247. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At day settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option which is day system. Click on here. And afterwards, you need to scroll down on the list and find for troubleshoot. Click on it. And there you can see other troubleshooters. Click on that one. And next is to go with most frequent. Go with Windows Update and click on run. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have completed the troubleshooting successfully rather, you need to close this window and then run the Windows Update again. Try to update your Windows and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to reset the Windows Update components. How we can do that? Now I want you to copy the code that I have provided at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, you need to paste it here at the notepad. So navigate to the file, then you need to click on the saved as. And after that, you would be able to open this window. Please rename that into Fix Update. Then add an extension for .bat, and then please select the desktop as your location and click on Save to continue. Once you have successfully created a .bat file, you can now close this window. Proceed to the .bat file that you have created. Make a right click, and then you need to go with the Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this process will take some time, but I want you to be patient. Complete the procedure, then type Y here and then click on enter key. And once you have completed this one, I want you to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.